Welcome back, guys. Today, a flat tire tried to ruin a perfectly good ride, so we are patching up the Segway Myon. But before you even touch a wrench, there is one massive mistake people make that will ruin your brand new tube instantly. I'll show you exactly what that is in a minute. But right off the bat, we have a problem. Watch what happens when I try to move the back wheel. It is completely locked up. The motor will not let the wheel spin freely, which makes it impossible to work on the tire. But do not worry, I have a quick trick to fix this. Here is the absolute best trick to bypass that electronic lock. While the Segway is still powered on, pull the battery straight out. Next, come up to the display and push and hold the power on button. Keep holding it for 15 seconds. This releases the residual electrical energy. Once that energy is drained, the electronic lock releases and the back wheel will move freely so you can actually work on the tire. To get this fixed, I'm using this specific bike tire repair kit right here. It has everything you need to pry the tire off and get a solid airtight patch on the tube. I'll drop the exact link for this kit down in the description below so you can grab the right one. We get the tire level in. Pop the bean off the rim. And pull the tube out. Find the puncher. Rough it up so the adhesive sticks. Apply the glue. And press the patch on tight. Alright, pay attention here. This is incredibly important. Before you install the tube, you have to check the inner tire. You need to make sure there isn't still a nail or something sharp stuck inside. Run your fingers carefully along the inside. If you just throw that tube back in, whatever caused that flat in the first place might still be hiding in the rubber, and you will be flat again. Look at this. I find this tiny sharp piece of metal still buried deep inside the tire. If I hadn't removed this, my patchwork would have been completely useless. The tire is patched, the wheel is back on, and we are good to go. Remember, all the parts for this bike and the repair kit are in the description below. If this helped you out, please drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next ride.